You know what's behind this door? I think I know what's behind this door, and I am so excited. You ready? My boxes of books. Oh my goodness. These are so heavy. All right, here we go. I feel like we need like a drum roll because this is my first adult novel and I am super excited about this. Oh, wow. It's gorgeous. Oh, I love it. It is so beautiful. And there's the pages. Look how gorgeous those are. I love the chapter headers. So beautiful. They're so fairy tale-esque. So this is a choose your own adventure style book. That means you get to choose which of these three guys Scarlett gets to end up with. And so as you can see, it's a long book. There's actually, it's kind of like three stories in one book. And each of these different paths that Scarlett can take will actually affect her future. As you can see on the spine, it's book 1. This will be a series, and every summer I'm gonna bring out a new book for you. I hope you love the story, and especially when you read it, I hope you laugh. I hope you have fun. I hope you feel like you're taking a trip, you're jumping on a plane and going to Germany and going on all the tour stops on the Fairy Tale Row, which is a real place, and visiting all the fun locations of all the fairy tales from the Grimm's tales. It's gonna be great, so enjoy.